Hello, wonderful stitchers, and welcome to our very first lesson of easy embroidery 10 designs to get you started. Before we begin stitching our beautiful designs, let's look at the essential tools you'll need for this course. You can see I have a piece of cotton fabric here. For hand embroidery, a medium weight cotton fabric is ideal, as it's sturdy enough to hold your stitches but not so thick that it's difficult to needle through. An embroidery hoop has two parts, an inner ring and an outer ring with a screw. First, loosen the screw on the outer ring and separate the two parts. Now take the outer ring and gently push it down over the fabric and the inner ring. You might need to apply a bit of pressure. Once both rings are together with the fabric sandwiched in between, gently pull the edges of your fabric outwards from all sides. Pull gently, working your way around the hoop until the fabric feels as tight as a drum. You want it to be firm with no sags or wrinkles. Once your fabric is perfectly taut, tighten the screw on the outer ring firmly. This locks your fabric securely in place. Starting from one point, begin making simple running stitches all the way around the outer edge of the excess fabric, about half an inch or an inch from the hoop. Just a simple in and out stitch, gathering the fabric as you go. See? Now our fabric is perfectly tensioned, secure, and ready for the next step. Our next step is just as exciting, transferring our pattern onto the fabric. We'll learn some easy and effective methods for that in our next lesson. Until then, get your hoops ready.